At Fort George, inside Halifax National Historic Site of Canada, you'll find historic cannons that tell a fascinating engineering story, not just about firepower, but about craftsmanship, safety, and design. One of the most interesting features of these cannons is something called scoring. Scoring refers to grooves cut into the metal underneath the breech of the cannon. These grooves weren't decorative, they had a very practical purpose. During operations, crews used handspikes, long wooden levers, and sometimes coins and wedges to help stabilize and maneuver the cannon. Smooth metal surfaces could be slippery, especially in wet or icy conditions. The grooves or scoring were added to prevent slipping, giving better grip and control during movement and positioning. This practice is documented in the historic reference, the War Department volumes, Royal Gun Factory Notes by G.C. Holden from 1866 on page 185. These volumes recorded manufacturing techniques, engineering details, and operational practices used by British military foundries in the mid-1800s. 5 War Department volumes containing handwritten technical records from the Royal Small Arms Factory, Royal Carriage Department, Royal Laboratory, and Royal Gun Factory. These rare documents detail how everything was made, from materials to measurements to engineering processes. It's now anticipated that the Royal Armouries will be reproducing all 5 War Department volumes, preserving this extraordinary historical knowledge and making it accessible for future generations. Next time you see these cannons at Fort George, remember, even the grooves in the metal tell a story of precision craftsmanship and 19th century engineering genius. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.